So Tim was delivered a little bit of a surprise yesterday.
Yes. It is all about the cost of living.
So we're returning to somewhere that we've been before many years ago to pick up something
Right around the same time. So I'm pretty sure that this particular parking lot spawns boats. They just appear after every 2 years. It's like those rare blooming flowers.
So that's what we're going to get again. And also, keeping with the theme, how much did it cost?
Was it a pair of shoes and a hoodie?
Yep. We're going to pick it up, run down to Hillberry, and show you what our plans are with it, because obviously, I'm sure people out there ask themselves, another boat?
We asked ourselves that.
Well, we're not boat people.
No. But this goes back to the time that hey, wow, let's turn the camera around.
They've really cleaned this yard up since we were here last.
Oh, let's not get that one.
You wouldn't want a sailboat?
Oh heck no, sailing terrifies me.
Look at this guy.
This one even comes with a windshield.
And even better, who's the manufacturer of the cost of living?
It is another Peterborough.
Has seats this time. And a gas tank. Apparently, though, the entire floor is filled with red ants. So we have to be careful. Have to be careful because those guys are nasty. They like to bite.
Red ant. Oh wow, it's not. It doesn't have the controls, but the steering hookup is still here.
Now, one thing I would like to point out that certainly makes me smile is the quality of the trailer that we're getting in this deal. Betsy's trailer, as anybody who has watched those episodes knows, it was one of the sketchiest trailers that we've ever seen. So what we're going to do now, strap this guy down so it doesn't move around, head on down to the Hillberry yard and give the lowdown on what our plans are. So unfortunately, the wheel, whatever you call that, has broken. What is this?
Jack?
Yeah, whatever it's called. We're not boat people, so we don't know. I guess that would also mean that we're not trailer people either.
No.
Anyway, it's broken, so
We're
that
barely
means it's time for a little bit of Hercules. Hercules. Let me just put the camera down so I can give you a hand.
Yeah, I think I might need a hand with this one.
Remember, we're old, right? So.
And I'm just coming off a back injury.
I think I injured my back in my sleep last night.
Ooh.
Yeah, because I woke up with a sore back this morning.
This is a great trailer.
It is a great trailer, with one exception. Okay,
all right,
so
ready?
We're gonna have to 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, we're on.
That was much easier than I thought.
I don't think we're on the ball though.
Oh. No, we're not.
I think this ball is too...
No, it's a 2-inch. What's happened is if you feel right here...
Oh, it got stuck?
No, I think it might just have to come forward a little bit. Give the trailer...
the truck.
Alright, we're going to investigate this. So we're hooked up. Had to throw an extension on here. We don't even know if this is going to work or not. But what happened was we had to come in more of a swooping motion to get this trailer onto the trailer ball. But now it's all hooked up. We just have to see if any brake lights work. Oh, it does rotate. Even better. We're going to test the lights and then we'll hit the road. Here and parked. Took a little bit of manhandling. Some moving around. All right, Tim, let's show us what your plan is.
Oh, right. I forgot. We were...
So, once again, throwing back to the Betsy episodes, people have seen this boat before where we stole, what was it? Oh, the seat out of it. Just watch out for these burrs.
Fun fact, I did a photo shoot in a wedding dress.
Maybe you can send me that picture and we'll put it up. Ow! Oh my God, those burrs hurt. Now my pants are covered.
So, that. We're going to put that in the boat.
You wanna hop up?
I don't know if anything is still stable on this.
Yeah, it was all right last time I was there.
Oh, it's a little more trash than before. Some crackhead's gone through it. Wow. They really went through it.
Maybe someone's been living in there.
Well, I was gonna say, I mean, if you're gonna, like, I didn't care. If someone wants to live in here, have at it, but at least, you know.
Do some housekeeping?
Well, respect your stuff.
So, motor's under there. Think we can have a look, or I think it's too...
It's very rotten in here, so I don't know. There she be.
Just a sec here. Can you hold it for a minute? Oh, it's in nice shape. So, what is it?
It's a OMC 350.
Oh, I recognize some of this stuff.
Right?
Yep. So what we're just gonna do is, I guess, come back with the chainsaw and just cut that section of the boat out.
I guess, yeah.
So that'll be a project for what? Next spring? Maybe next spring. We'll see how industrious we feel. So before we take off, we're gonna go over a few different things that we've got sitting around in the yard and what the plans are. These would be kind of like the B projects, I guess, right?
Yeah. I really want to do something with this.
What was the plan for this again? You told me and I don't...
S10 frame and maybe that 6-liter down at the shop. But I gotta get it out of where it's sitting because
The vines are taking over.
Yeah. You always have good intentions with stuff, right? But
well, I think the other thing too is that there's a lot going on.
yeah.
Right? Blue truck?
Honestly, I want to use it as like a yard truck for here.
So we just need to fix the frame on it.
Yeah, weld that chunk of the frame and then like move boats, move whatever.
It's a good idea. And then last but not least, the old Saratoga. What's going on?
Anybody want a body? Change the engine, get rid of the body. It's a good donor. It's a cool car and it's in good shape, but it's just not. I don't have the desire to invest the time in it.
No.
And there's time that needs to be invested in it.
Well, that was a fun morning adventure, right?
Yeah, always.
So, hopefully, next spring, we'll start ripping this guy apart and putting that engine in. That'd be quite the thing to have on the lake.
Should be fun.
And staying brand loyal.
Definitely, excuse me.